buckle up for safety as I give you a day in the life of facilities maintenance.
Hey there, I wanted to jump back in after posting my video about this drain maintenance powder stuff that I thought might be useful. Don't use it. Let me show you what I have done. I thought I'd try this stuff out in my own drain in my office here. We have a laundry sink in the corner and it runs a little slow. And I poured a cup of the mixture in, chased it with a cup of boiling vinegar, and then waited. All the action was happening. It looked fantastic. And then I filled up a bucket of steamy hot water and I poured it in there and nothing. I ended up with 1.5 inches of water in the bottom of my sink that did not go anywhere. So I took our wet vac, sucked the water out of there, thought, let's try this again with some vinegar. Oh, hold on. So no, not yet. I took our auger, ran that down there. It hit a stone wall. So I thought, something's weird. Then I sucked out all the water. Then I poured down some more vinegar. Then I waited a few minutes and realized it's not going anywhere either. So then I took this screwdriver and I jabbed it in there as much as I could, trying to loosen things up, and I could feel that I'm hitting something really solid. So I thought, okay, I've got to take this trap right off and see what's going on in there, because I need my sink. I don't know what's happening here. I haven't done any Google searching or anything to figure out chemically what is going on, but this stuff has, like, I'm literally bending this screwdriver. Granted, it's a small screwdriver, but it has turned into a form of white concrete. So if you watched my last video, I really hope you're watching this one and don't mix this stuff up and pour it in your drains. Or if you do, do it in really small amounts. Definitely the more is better theory is not advised in this case. Like, that's nuts. No wonder my auger wasn't going through this. And remember, this wasn't hard packed or anything. It was just poured down the drain. And then vinegar was added. Hopefully I can get this out of here so I don't have to make a new P-trap. So, apologies if any of you have tried this and plugged up your drains. I'm sorry. That was not my intent. I will not be using this as I intended to. What am I going to do with a 10-pound bag of baking soda? So at the end of the day, I threw out the bucket of stuff that I'd pre-mixed, and I won't be using this product. It might be fine to use in very small amounts, and I think that's why I might have gotten away with it in the bathroom that I tried it in the first time, but when you're able to pour a full cup down the drain, like they actually recommend, it just clogs things up. And did I mention that it totally knotted up our trap snake and put a kink in the end of it?